Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie, the show where each week I receive a mystery product from Ace and I need to figure out how to use it at my home.
And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects.
This season, I'm in my garage because I've been spending a lot of time outside enjoying this nice weather. I can't wait to see what's in the bag this week. Let's take a look. Ooh, we have Royal Exterior Paint. And there is not a lot in here. My favorite part, let's take a look at the color. You know, my garage is really boring, and I think these colors will be a perfect addition for a project I want to do. I love an organized garage, and the concept of color blocking, I think these colors will be perfect. So let me show you how. Color block organization is a perfect way to keep things structured. It's a great idea for all those outdoor garden tools. Use a good quality tape because you'll want the cleanest lines. Use exterior paint in a garage because you'll still have some of those outdoor elements creeping in. When painting, make sure you are in a well-ventilated area. The first thing you should do is determine the major categories or groupings. Then find complementary colors. Adding color will help you save time in both retrieving and putting away everything. For the straightest lines, remove the tape before the paint dries. If you want to go all out on organization, you can create a numbering system and then use stickers like these. Place one on the wall and then one on the item. Then whoever uses it knows exactly where it goes, back on the spot. Love the way that turned out. It really helped organize that part of the garage. If you do this project at home in your garage, I've got to know about it. So make sure you use the hashtag, the helpful place. And stick around, because the next episode of Leftovers with Annie is one of my favorites.